Hi, my name is Jingying. This is my CC578 final project walkthrough. First we import these packages and then we read the data. I use the trained data as the training and the validation. I will split them in the later section. So first drop this column, date time, and then from the describe we can see that each column there are no missing value. And for the target variable, we have mean of 9.17, standard deviation of 8.5, and minimum of negative 22.76, and maximum of 35.48. And because that each columns they're not normalized, so we will normalize them later too. From the plot, we can see that is pretty much the target variable is pretty much normally distributed. And so here is normalization. So we normalize both training and testing dataset, and we will normalize back the test set later. So we split the data, use this series to supervised to reframe it, and then split the data to X train and Y train. Here is the shape, and then that we will next split to 80% of training and 20% of validation. Here's the first model that time step is 24 because we want to have 24 hours, and here is the 14 features. So the first layer is LSTM with 64 units. Set the return sequence to true and then input shape to 24 and 14. Second layer and then 64 unit return sequence, and the next LST is 32 unit. A dense layer with activation function of linear. Here is the model summary. And then, so we fit the data. It took quite a long time for 30 epochs. So the final mean absolute error is 0.0033. For validation is 0.0031. Here is the plot. So we can see after 5 or 6 epoch, the arrow start to smooth out. So for next experiment that we add this to the layer and the dropout percent. So this was long too for each epoch, and then the final was 0.0035 and 0.0028, which is lower than the previous one. And then if we plot them out, we can see they have pretty much the same trend. Okay, thank you.